Here, 100 animals' names to learn. Wonderful! In English, instead of saying a group of owls, they say a parliament of owls. Instead of a group of crows, they say a murder of crows. Giraffes, they say a tower of giraffes because they are as tall as a tower.
The predators, animals. The predators, animals.
Are animals that hunt and eat other animals to survive. Lion, lion. Look, the lions live in families. Tiger, tiger. Very cool. The tigers like water. Leopard, leopard. Cheetah, cheetah. Wow, the cheetah is very fast. Wolf, wolf. Very amazing. The wolves run for a long time. Fox, fox. Bear, bear. Elephant, elephant. Giraffe, giraffe. Zebra, zebra. Monkey, monkey. Gorilla, gorilla. Chimpanzee, chimpanzee. Farm animals. Farm animals are animals that humans tame, raise, and care for on a farm. Chicken, chicken. Cow, cow. Wow, the cows like music. Dog, dog. Cat, cat. Horse, horse. Awesome! Horses sleep standing up. Donkey, donkey. Sheep, sheep. No way! Sheep eat plants. Goat, goat. Turkey, turkey. Camel, camel. Did you know that many sea animals glow in the dark? If you know that, tell us in the comment. Fish, fish. Shark, shark. Cool! Sharks have no bones. Whale, whale. Dolphin, dolphin. Wow! Dolphins talk with whistles. Octopus, octopus. Oh! An octopus has 3 hearts. Jellyfish, jellyfish. Starfish, starfish. Crab, crab. Shrimp, shrimp. Turtle, turtle.